It's a beautiful day this Easter morning at Ventura Harbor in California. Crowds of families celebrating the holiday in a warm 60-degree weather. Local residents of Ventura County took their sailboats out to celebrate the sacred Sunday holiday. Families enjoying the local restaurants and ice cream parlor. The fresh air brings out the new spring season with family time and happy faces. With enjoyment and pleasure brought throughout the whole community. This beautiful day is an Easter we will never forget.
I'm Cheyenne Gonzalez here with Gage Dunphy, a resident of Ventura County, here talking about what he likes about Ventura Harbor.
What I like most about Ventura Harbor is probably the water, the boats, and the service and at restaurants and the good fish at Andrea's Fish Place.
I'm Cheyenne Gonzalez and thank you for watching. Tune in for next week's news clip.